Now, in the lead here is C3.ai with 346 million in trailing 12-month revenue, ahead of Bigbear.ai at 154 million in trailing 12-month revenue, and SoundHound AI with 67 million in trailing 12-month revenue. The next thing I wanted to compare these three on is cash flow from operations on a trailing 12-month basis, and C3.ai again takes the lead here at negative 14%, but in its latest quarter, C3.ai was cash flow positive. Then you have Bigbear.ai at negative 15%, and far behind these two is SoundHound AI at negative 133%. But if you forced me to pick one of these three, I would pick C3.ai as the better AI stock to buy here.